I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So to do this, you have the pre-installed application on your device, which is called System Manager. So you just have to open it, then tap on this rocket, and after that it will automatically clean up your device and power up its performance. As you can see right now, my mobile phone is best. You can also clean rubbish files from it and clean its memory to speed it up too. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.